Waste accumulation has grown significantly. For example, the construction sector is a significant producer of waste. We must find a practical way to exploit this valuable raw material stream. Construction and demolition waste includes plastic, a valuable raw material for wood-polymer composites. This recycled plastic can be substituted for virgin polymers if it's able to be properly identified and processed.
To identify polymers in plastic, contact the polymer of interest with a portable near-infrared spectroscopy tool in the 1600 to 2400 nanometer spectral range, and determine the type of polymer by the measured reflectance. Use the spectroscopy identification curve to analyze the laboratory results, and sort the materials between the polymers based on the identification results. To perform size reduction for the selected plastic materials, place the identified and collected material into a single shaft shredding system equipped with a crusher shredder apparatus, and crush the plastic materials at a low-speed crush and with a 5 mm sieve. When the material is homogeneous, measure the material amounts for the composites and present the materials in their relative amounts of plastic, wood, coupling agent, and lubricant.